Have you ever wondered why, as soon as you start sewing, your sewing machine jams up and you have a total mess? This could be one of the reasons why, and it could all be down to this take-up lever here and the position that that is in when you start to sew. As we can see now, the take-up lever is at the top, and every time you start sewing, that is the position that the take-up lever needs to be. If the take-up lever is further down the machine, then that means that it is still only part way through a stitch. So when it's at the top, a whole stitch cycle has been completed and it's ready to start again. So if we pop some material underneath and we lower our presser foot, and if we now turn the wheel on the sewing machine, we can see now the take-up lever is going to go all the way down to the bottom, and if we carry on turning, it's going to come all the way up to the top. That has now performed a whole stitch in our material. If when we start sewing the take-up lever is halfway down, then although the needle is raised up out of our material, the stitch isn't complete. So when you remove that piece of material and you pop your next piece of material in and you continue to sew, then the first thing that the machine has got to do is complete the stitch that it hasn't quite completed this time round, and that is what can cause you to have a thread jam as you start sewing. If we now do a line of stitching, we can see now that that is going to give us a perfect stitch line with no issues, and then we're just going to make sure our take-up lever is back at the top of our machine, ready for when we do our next set of stitches. So next time you're ready to start sewing, just make sure the take-up lever is at the top and you should have hassle-free sewing right from the start. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you very much for watching. See you again soon.